How to save a Google form. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up web browser on your device. Now tap on the search bar and type Google Forms. Now tap on search. Now scroll down. Now tap on this link. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner and enable desktop site. Now select your Google form. Now select your Google account and tap on OK. Now simply tap on responses. Now the first method is tap on link to sheets. Now tap on create. Now select your Google account. Again wait for some time. Now here you can save your Google Forms. Now the next method is simply go back, tap on three dots. Now tap on download responses. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.